Hi, I'm Amol Borkar, Senior Product Marketing Manager for Vision and AI DSPs at Cadence Tensilica. Today I'm going to show you some demos on our customer platforms featuring our Vision DSPs. The mantra for our demos is customer success, high performance, and low power at the edge. So an example that I have over here is a customer platform, features 3 Vision P6 cores. Although there are 3 cores on this platform, they're only utilizing 1 core to do real-time stereo depth sensing. So here's an example. You can see on the left-hand side, they have a VGA resolution, grayscale image, and on the right-hand side, they're doing depth sensing in real time, all running on a single core. So here you can see we're using stereo cameras to do depth sensing, and it's actually able to do it very accurately. So it's able to do it in real time, VGA resolution. You can see it detects me moving farther away, the colors change. Blue being the farthest, yellow or orange being close, and it's able to detect multiple people at the same time as well as faraway objects with very good resolution. For more information about this demo or about our IPs, please visit us at ip.cadence.com.